I started doing my makeup because I had to like do some video stuff on my phone. Like I had to do some stuff to get more space, so now I can finally film it. Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm getting ready to go out and meet Lynn and Athena. I remember I asked in the whatever thing about what type of videos you want to see, and then I made like some things you could like choose, and then a lot of people wanted me to like make outfits and stuff, like makeup and outfit. So yeah, done doing my brows and I started putting on eyeshadow and eyeliner. I need to like clean it and stuff. These are the items I use for brows. First, I used the brow pencil from NYX Professional Makeup in black, a concealer from MAC. I've had it for, actually I haven't had it for years, I just rebought it last year. 24-hour MAC Studio Fix and W45. Also, I don't know if I have allergies or not, but my nose is like a little bit weird. Then I just used this random waterproof eyeliner as like a brow pen to like make it darker and more defined. So I used the concealer to like clean up, to make them more sharp and whatever. So I'm just using that with an angled brush. Like, I shaved my brow and I cut myself again. I do it all the time. It's crazy. I was used to another shaver that is like more dull. So this one is like really sharp, and I'm used to like putting a lot of pressure on it, and I cut myself. Like the first time I like literally cut a chunk out of my brow. I was like, okay. I put concealer underneath my eyelid and under my eye, and then I started with this eyeshadow. It's like a very light blue one, and then I topped it with this one. Now I've just applied eyeliner. I'm using L'Oreal Paris Perfect Slim Super Liner because I usually wear another one from NYX, but they have stopped making it, so I just used whatever, or I just bought whatever to do my eyeliner with, and I don't know, I like it. It's just starting to get dry now, so now I'm gonna clean up with concealer. Hear that fucking knocking? My fucking neighbors. Okay, so I'm done cleaning up. I think I'm gonna add a blue line on my eye. I kind of want to try to put on lashes today because I want to get better at it. I ordered some lashes from AliExpress. I want to try these. So maybe let's do that instead of doing the blue eyeliner as I always do. It's just fun experiment stuff. I feel like the lashes were like maybe a little bit too long. I'm gonna have to cut it. This. And then I have lash glue. I bought this years ago. I don't even know if I'm supposed to shake it or whatever. I was supposed to do my mom's lashes one time, but the lashes didn't come in time for the event she was going to, so I couldn't. And then ever since I've just had the glue, and it's black, so it will blend with the eyeliner. I'm coming back when it's drier. Okay, I put it on. I mean, it looks cute. I feel like I might have put them like the wrong way. I was too impatient to film me putting on the eyelash. Sorry, I'm sorry for that. But I mean, from a distance, it looks cute. I'll just do whatever and try to make it work. Yeah. Okay, I did it. It feels so weird, but I guess I'm gonna get used to it. It looks cute. It looks pretty. So yeah, I think I'm going for white and blue. So yeah. So now I'm gonna put on blush. I'm not sure which one I want to put on today. I didn't find the one I was thinking of, so we will use eyeshadow. And I just use it from the same palette, the red one. I tap it like this, and then I tap it like this. Kind of like flipping you off. Somewhat like this. The red is very pigmented, so I don't need to use like a lot. I'm literally just tapping it, like, yeah. Okay, I'm done with that. Super quick and easy. Today I'm gonna use a random, it's a lip liner, but I kind of use it for a little bit of contour or nose contour. I don't even know if people notice the difference. I don't even know if I notice the difference, but I just do it because makeup is fun. So yeah, then I have a white eyeliner. It's NYX Epic Wear eyeliner stick. It's just white. I think I might do a little under my eye on the waterline, if that's what it's called. And I sometimes like to do a little so it looks like a highlighter, or it's more highlighted, and then I actually do like a highlight. I'm using this one from Flower Nose. Looks epic. Do a little like this, and then here. I don't even know why I do all of this when I'm gonna wear a wig that may be like covering this part of my face, but you know. Yeah, and then the last step is the lips. I've already applied a little bit of this lip plumper. I usually just put on this it's just like a lip gloss from Too Faced, and it's so pretty and it lasts so long on the lips, and it feels so good and like moisturizing. And it smells amazing too. I just really love it. I went on a little cruise ship with my mom, and I got the Kylie Jenner lip gloss. I got this one. I mean, it's okay, and it's crazy because I never forget anything. Like I do forget a lot actually, but I never forget to bring a lippy. I have this one that's like full of lippies, like mainly lip glosses and some other lip stuff, but then I also have some random stuff, you know, just like makeup that doesn't fit into this, such as this one. But now my desk is like super messy, so I'm just putting everything to the side kind of. So yeah, this is the makeup look. And now let's do the outfit. I'm just gonna say a little bit. I've been having a little bit of thinking of what I wanted to wear. I've seen this look where people are wearing like a t-shirt and then a tank top over or under, but I want to do it over. So I want to do this t-shirt, then I might put on this and then use it with this skirt. Or I was thinking of doing a blue t-shirt with a white tank top, and I mean it's cute, but I didn't really see on it that she was like eating, and I feel like people are gonna be like, of course she's wearing that, like, girl. Got this one from Shein, so I might just put on that with this skirt instead. I think that would look cute actually. I wish I had this tank top in blue. It's from Rat Boy, and it's just really nice and it sits really pretty. So yeah. Okay, so I will get dressed and see which look I like the best. Okay, I put on the first outfit, and I think I actually like this the best. It looks like this. It's really cute. I really like this action going on, and the eyeshadow color really suits the top, so I think I'm gonna go with this. I definitely am excited to wear the other outfit another time, but I just really felt this today. So I'm gonna put on perfume. I'm wearing the Moschino Pink Fresh Couture. Yeah, I'm thinking of either wearing these leg warmers that I made myself. These, but they don't really suit the vibe that I'm going for. Or I have these thigh-high socks that I like to like scrunch down, so it just looks like you know, socks. And I also got some blue and white shoes from my mom. They look like this. They're from Primark, and they go so well with all of my like blue and white looks. So I'm gonna wear these shoes. I'm so indecisive. I was gonna say I'm gonna go for these, but then I'm like, but the socks would kind of look cute though. I'll think about it while I fix my hair. So for the hair, I have a white wig. I cut the bangs of it very quickly, like super quick, so it's a little bit crooked, like it goes a little bit sideways, so I need to fix that. And then I have this bag. I might wear this. It's like little Twin Stars collab. Has some gum in my backpack. Yeah, it's a little Twin Stars collab. I bought it like secondhand. I also use a hair straightener to straighten the bang, so it will go like down, you know. It's a little bit crooked, so I'm gonna fix that. I'm gonna do it near the trash bag. Yeah, I don't think I've told you people, but I don't think I've told anyone like that, but I have a hair phobia, so I really don't like when hairs touch me and stuff. So I'm always really careful of where I do my hair. I mean, not really, because I still put it on in this room where it's a lot of clothes on the floor, so it will probably come onto them as well. But you know, I'm trying to avoid it getting places if I can. I have a mini hair straightener that I use on my bangs and whatever. Here is my hair, and I just have it in 4 sections. It's actually pretty dirty because I had another hairstyle previously that I didn't do anything with later. Like, I just opened it and didn't wash it because, you know, it's not good to wash black hair that much. So I'm waiting for like a time that I'm getting my hair done. I also have this really cute hair clip that I got from Forever 21. I kind of wanted to use it, but I can't really, I don't know how to style it like that. I saw Tiana did it one time, but I tried and it didn't work, so I'll pass on that. Here we have the bald cap, and now I am nice and bald, kind of. Okay. The wig is like pulling everything backwards. Yeah, this wig looks fucking crazy, but you know, we're gonna make it work. We're gonna make it work. Just pull hair behind my ear like this, and then I might take a little bit from the bang too and put it like behind here, so it looks more like you can't really see the wig thing. I'm not sure what it's called. I don't know why it gets up after, like later. It's so weird. Maybe I'll just put everything out the way and then just fix my bangs first. Yeah, I'm just, you know. Okay, I'm gonna try to finish the bangs and then I'll come back because I am in a rush. The piercing ball, it's back. I put on a first one. I don't know what they're called, but it's not like the clips, it's just like these. I put them on one side, one on each side. Okay, I'm gonna put on this, the bottom. I'm gonna put on the white pair, the other one. Okay, then this, like this. If I need more, I'm gonna put the same color again. But yeah, I'm gonna do the same on the other side. Okay, now I'm gonna use the Got To Be glue and I'm gonna spray it the fuck down. Yeah, because I don't want them to move. I do a little bit of spray on my bangs as well. Looks cute. I feel like it's missing something like on top, but when I come closer, it's like, it looks pretty. So like for jewelry and stuff, I don't have any blue like necklaces and stuff, so I'm gonna use a white one, taking out my favorites. Yeah, I like this one, and I also really like this one. Gonna try that on too, actually. Okay, I think this is good. Yeah, I was gonna say this is the look, but it's not. I need to figure out this sock situation still, and I'm not in the mood to wear a belt, so it will kind of just be like this. The lighting is terrible. I think I'm just gonna go for the socks like this, because I feel like I always use the other leg warmers, these, so I'm trying to change it up a little. Also, my nails are terrible right now, so I am pretty much ready. I'm not sure what I was oh yeah, the nails. Yeah, I'm not sure if I want to go out now. I feel anxious. I wanted to put this as a headband, but it's too short. Oh yeah, I have nails that look like this. Yeah, they look like this, and I want to put them on to just complete the look because my nails look terrible. So I was in a really big rush. I'm not sure if you can hear me, but I was in a really big rush and I just had to leave. Okay. Oh, see? Oh, I met them. I'm with Athena and Lynn. I'm probably gonna find a place to show the outfit, but yeah, we're together now. I forgot to take pictures or anything when I was there, so because I forgot to ask my friends, but now they're not here anymore, so yeah. I can't really see anything because it's so dark, but yeah. I'm so sorry. Like, we didn't take any pictures or any videos or anything at all. I don't have any pictures to just show like that. Also, like halfway when I was like putting on the nails, I was so anxious that I called my boyfriend because I don't know, I was just almost crying and like I was so stressed. So yeah, but next time I will do a better job. I'll do a better job at showing it. And I felt really anxious too because there was some people at the train station too when I was trying to like show the whole outfit. So yeah, I'm trying to build up the public confidence about like filming outside and like talking to someone. Okay, but I didn't even make an outro, okay? So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe, and I will do more get ready with me's because I have some things to do, but it's not like major things. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you another time. Bye!